Hello again. Well, I don't know if you didn't see any of my other videos, but a while back I decided to see what I could get to put together a decent, modern hi-fi system on eBay for £100. And I did that with some Q acoustic speakers and a Chinese amp, and it was I thought, okay. But what if you can't afford that? What if your real budget? Can you get something for under half that, say, on eBay and get a decent hi-fi system? Well, I think you can. And so I thought about, let's see if I could start one. And the first thing I bought are these. And these are the Wharfedale Diamond 9.0. Now, I don't know if you know, but the Wharfedale Diamond range, I think, started about 1983-ish. And at that time, they produced these really small mini monitors that were quite cheap, and hundreds of students used them in their sort of bedrooms, and they were they really set the standard at the time. Anyway, they're now, I think, about the 11th or 12th generation, and they've moved from the sort of the mini monitors to you get floor standers and things. And these aren't the latest ones. These are from a couple of years ago now, but they're still for sale in richer sounds. And I think there they go for about £50 or £60, though I have seen them for £40. And the bloke who bought these said that he bought them by mistake, so I got them including postage for £16. So that sounds like a good start for a very ultra budget hi-fi system. Anyway, so let's open them up and see what you get. Right. Let's cardboard away. Oh, take it out. Right, well, as you can see, they certainly are dinky. And what else do you get? You get some of the old sort of drawing stuff and manual. Right, so let's have a bit of a closer look at them. Well, they've got a sort of a very dark black veneer. Around the back, there's a couple of screw holes you're going to mount them on some. They do some brackets, and there's some proper binding posts. If you take the grill off, right, so as you can see, there's what looks like a soft tweeter, a fairly small, looks like about a 3.5–4 inch mid bass driver, and a front port, so it should be good to stick up against a wall. And overall, they give the impression of a solidly built, if somewhat budget unit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook them up to my main system, live with them for a bit, and I'll report back and see how they go. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, you can subscribe. Bye bye now.